Hello, this is J.R. McMillan with Mile Marker. We're here to demonstrate our winch setup. This particular model here is a 75 series hydraulic winch. It is designed for lifting or pulling. It's capable of lifting 1,200 pounds. Today we will be lifting a 100 kVA transformer that weighs 1,000 pounds. Before the operation of the Mile Marker winch, please review the plaque that tells you how to engage and disengage the unit. You have your low lever and your high lever. To engage this from one range to the other, this right now is in the free position. The free position is the free part of this is facing upward towards you. To change this gear, you would very easy just flip the lever over and it's shifted into that range. The high range will be shifted the same way. You would just simply flip this lever from one position to the other. Whatever you can read is going to determine the range in which the winch is engaged in. If the range indicates that it's in a free position, then this range is not engaged. If this is in a high position here, then it's going to indicate that the high is engaged. Vice versa, if you wanted this in low, this would indicate low up here, and this would indicate free out here. If both are in the free position, this would enable you to free spool the cable out. If you have the high out here and the low here, you will be in a locked position. The cable will not pan out, and the winch will not be able to winch in or out. What we're going to do here is lift the transformer up to the tape line to show its holding capability. As you can see, we have a raincoat just in case the cable breaks to protect us from any of the whipping of the cable. Are you ready down there?
Ready.
Once you begin to lift, you should never be in the line of fire. You should be clear of the winch. It's extremely important to remember all lifting procedures are done in the low range only. You will notice that the winch system lifts the transformer at a very controlled rate. It is important to remember never to shift gears in a lift. Make sure it's always in the low range. There we are in a hold position. As you can see, the transformer is not creeping down in any way. This is where you can properly secure the transformer when you have it at the designated height that's needed. The only way that the transformer can be moved this time is by the use of the winch controller. We will demonstrate by going down, and we can go back up. This way you can pinpoint exactly where you need to have the transformer in position, knowing that the transformer is not going to creep. Take it down. Coming down. Here we're now going to demonstrate putting the winch in high range, and this is for retrieving the cable back in after you have finished the job. You will want to disengage the low range and engage the high range. You will simply give the unit a simple tap and it's ready to go. While you're doing this, you want to make sure it's neatly wrapped on the drum. This way you do not damage the cable when you put it under a load. High range is only to be used to retrieve the cable. This ends the demonstration of the Mile Marker winch system. If you have any more questions, please review the paperwork that accompanies this video.